Good morning, students. ASL English listening activity for class 8th, 11th, and 12th. Today we are doing Unit 6 Routes to Shoot listening activity. Unit 6 Routes to Shoot listening activity. Listening. Listen to this group discussion about afforestation in cities and in villages. The participants are discussing possible solutions. Study the question for a minute or two, then fill in the gaps, fill in the blanks in the sentences as you listen. Now, you will be listening to the conversation. Coordinator, good morning. Today's group discussion is about afforestation in the cities and in the villages. One of you can start by introducing the topic, and at the end, someone could summarize the points. Sanjay, I would like to introduce the topic by defining afforestation. Afforestation means creating new forest areas by growing more trees. It is the need of the hour. With deforestation happening at such massive scale, it is indeed a challenge in the cities. And I think this is because people in the cities are not as serious about afforestation, unlike those in the villages. Kiran, I am afraid I can agree. There are many responsible citizens in the cities too who plant trees, creating more forest area. They spread awareness among the people. Preeti, well, I agree with Kiran, but only partly. Mere talking does not help. I mean, awareness helps, but it's the right action that ultimately solves any problem. Kiran, I agree that afforestation works better in villages. Since villages have more vast open spaces. But if we focus on afforestation only in villages, then urban areas will become dry and even arid. Striking a balance between building and forest cover is necessary. Preeti, how about building more parks and botanical gardens? Sanjay, I beg your pardon, but Are you suggesting that parks and gardens alone can increase afforestation in cities? I would imagine that we had other solutions as well. Kiran, we do, like growing trees in the backyards of our own homes. If every household could grow one tree at least, that all help increase afforestation. One tree for every house means thousand of trees, and that makes a huge difference. Preeti, aren't we forgetting the industrial sector? More than the individuals, it's the factories that consume millions of tons of timber. Do they not have a responsibility? Kiran, of course they do. They must replace the forest cover that they destroy. Environmentally friendly corporate practices are becoming popular in Europe. If you notice, it's the urban areas that are surrounded by many factories. Urban areas means we are talking about the city areas. Okay. Rural areas means we are talking about the village areas. Now, what Preeti says? Preeti, yes, I agree. So, let me summarize our discussion. Afforestation will be a success both in the villages and in the cities if we put in the right effort. In the villages, we could increase afforestation by planting a large number of trees. And in the cities, we could increase afforestation at two levels: at the household level by growing trees, and at the community level by building parks and botanical gardens. Coordinator, at last, thank you everyone for an enthusiastic and wonderful discussion on such an important topic, that is afforestation. Good day. Listen to the conversation twice and then try to mark the answers. So you have to listen to the conversation twice and then try to mark the answers. Okay. Now, before that, you can read the question which is given in unit number 6, listening activity. Okay. In the ASL dialogue book of Black Swan. Now see, I will be reading out the question for you. The question is divided in two tasks, task A and task B. Now, listening activity, task A questions I will be reading out for you. This you can note down in your copy as well, and you can write down and you can write the answers also in your copy along with the questions. Now see, A task, listening to a group discussion about afforestation in cities and in villages. Okay, the conversation already I have read for you. You can listen to the conversation twice and mark the answers. The participants are discussing possible solutions. Study these questions for a minute or two, then fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps means fill in the blanks in the sentences as you listen. Once you are done, listen to the discussion again. That means listen to the conversation twice and complete the exercise. Now, the exercises question I am reading for you. The first one, the first fill in the blank. Awareness and action will help increase dash means fill in the blanks in the cities. You have to fill in the blank. Now the second fill in the blank I am reading for you. Kiran suggests that every dash should plant at least one tree. The third fill in the blank I am reading for you. Sanjay thinks that parks and gardens alone dash increase afforestation in cities. Fourth fill in the blank I am reading for you. The dash sector consumes millions of tons of timber. Fifth fill in the blank I am reading for you. The industries should replace the dash that they destroy. Sixth fill in the blank I am reading for you. Urban areas are surrounded by many dash. Seventh fill in the blank I am reading for you. Afforestation will be a dash in urban areas if we put in the right dash. Eighth fill in the blank I am reading for you. Urban area afforestation can increase at two levels, at the dash level and at the dash level. Again I am reading the eighth one, the last one for you. Urban areas afforestation can increase at two levels, at the dash level and at the dash level. To fill in the blanks is given in this. Okay. Now the B task, the B part of the question now. Say if this statement is true or not true. You have to mark this statement as true or not true. Now I am reading that statement. Only one statement is given in this. Afforestation can be successful in cities as well as in villages. You have to mark in this statement true or not true. Again I am reading the statement for you. Afforestation can be successful in cities as well as in villages. In this statement you have to mark true or not true. Okay. Before attempting the question, read the conversation, listen to the conversation twice and then try to mark the correct answers. Okay everyone? Okay, best of luck, do well, thank you.